Today, I'll show you how to customize a template in Docusign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open an existing template, make changes to roles, fields, and documents, and save those updates so your future envelopes are faster and more accurate. Let's start from your Docusign home screen. First, you'll need to open the template you want to customize. Go to the section where your templates are stored. This is usually labeled templates in the main navigation. Once you're there, you'll see a list of templates that either you've created or that have been shared with you. Take a moment to find the specific template you want to update. You can use the search bar if you have many templates, or filter by owner or date to narrow things down. When you see the template you want, click on its name to open its details. With the template details open, look for the option to edit. You should see an edit button, typically near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click edit. This takes you into the template editor where you can make structural changes to how this template behaves every time it's used. Inside the editor, you'll first notice the roles associated with the template. Roles are placeholders for the people who will sign or receive the document, such as buyer, seller, client, or manager. Here, you can modify existing roles if their names or responsibilities have changed. For example, you might rename a generic signer role to something more descriptive, like HR representative, to make it clearer for whoever is sending the document. You can also adjust the signing order, which controls who receives the document first, second, and so on. If needed, you can add additional roles or remove ones that are no longer relevant. Just remember, roles determine who signs and in what sequence. So think about your actual approval or signature process as you're making adjustments. Next, review the fields on the document. Fields are the interactive parts of the document where signers type, check, or sign. In the editing view, you'll see tools for adding or adjusting fields like signatures, initials, dates, text boxes, check boxes, and more. Click on a field to move it, resize it, or change which role it's assigned to. For instance, if a date field should be completed by the client instead of the manager, simply reassign it. Take the time to align your fields neatly and position them exactly where information should be entered. This will make the signing experience clearer and more professional. You might also add new fields if you've realized you need additional information, such as an optional comments area or an extra approval signature. You can also modify the documents that are attached to the template. If you need to update an outdated form, you can remove the old document and upload a new version. Make sure the new document matches the layout of your fields or adjust the fields accordingly so everything lines up correctly. If your process has changed, you might add an extra document like a disclosure or an instruction page, or remove documents that are no longer required. Once you've finished adjusting roles, fields, and documents, it's time to save your changes. Look for the save or save and close option, usually at the top or bottom of the editor. Click save to update the existing template with your new configuration. After saving, it's a good idea to run a quick test by starting a new envelope with this template just to confirm everything appears as expected. And that's it. You've successfully customized a template in Docusign by opening it, editing roles, fields, and documents, and saving your changes.